Hello, how are you doing? This is Ingrid greeting you from Brazil. Today I have a very interesting topic because these questions are very important to ask yourself. So every internet marketer, every network marketer, any affiliate marketer really needs to ask yourself, himself, herself this question. And I'm going to start with the first question, and it's this one. If not internet marketing, then what? What am I going to do? You see, I ask myself this question when it gets hard, because at moments it's gonna get tough, right? I ask myself this question. I start saying, what else am I going to do? Am I going to get back working for an office, a company for working hour offices? Am I going to get back to work for somebody else's dreams? Am I going to get back to work to, you know, all of these hours, barely be at home, barely see my family? Am I going to do that? Am I going to get back to working for my translations for long hours daily for a small fee, as I was doing that for many, many years as well, right? So, and then continue asking yourself, am I going to do this for the rest of my life? I mean, am I this crazy, or I am destined for greatness? So this is a very important question, correct? And the next question that I want you to consider is, if not now, then when? The only time that matters, actually, the only time that exists is now. If you think about words like someday, those are not the words where successful people live. Don't subscribe for that mentality, please, don't. If not now, then when? People who once pop results with microwave efforts, right? So you need to understand that now is what matters. Hoping for a future without investing in, it's like a farmer hoping for planting without any seeds, honestly. So it doesn't make much sense, right? If not now, then when? The third question that I have for you is this one, and if so far you haven't taken any note, now it's time for you to do it. And it's this one. It's a big one, actually. If not you, then who? Who's gonna do it? Let me tell you something that my mentor told me some time ago. Ingrid, no one is coming to save you. No one is gonna is gonna sit with you at to coach and then eat Cheetos or whatever you like eating and watching Dancing with the Stars or CSI or any other of your favorite programs. You have to do it yourself. No one is going to save your family. No one is going to, save you from your destiny. That needs to be created right now by you. You have to do it yourself because it's your life. Right? Let me now tell you how serious your life is. You're not gonna make it out alive if you don't do it. This is a big deal. This is not a dress rehearsal. You don't get another shot, okay? So let's make this one the best shot we can give. Yes, these are serious questions, right? Sounds very simple, but those are very simple and serious questions that you need to remind yourself here and then, especially when moments get rough, when you're feeling a little disoriented or unmotivated. Who else is going to take care of you and your life and your decisions and your career and the time you invest on it and your efforts and your commitment and your consistency? Who? It's yourself. So as part of this, I decided to join my niche is affiliate program. I do internet marketing since a year ago. I started getting good results the last few months in affiliate marketing, and I have joined this program, do the research that I did sometime, looking and seeing the strengths and deficiencies other programs had, and this one is just perfect. They assign you a coach from day one. You join with a small fee to start with. Then you can profit with $1,000 commissions. You can profit with 60 and 40% commissions. It's an amazing program with the best digital marketing content you can hope or seek for right now. The best trainings for social media marketing and so much more. You have a coach that is going to be there for you from day one until all your journey. So if you would like to know more information about this program, let me know. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. Comment more info, send me a direct message. This is Ingrid greeting you from Brazil, wishing you to have a fabulous day. I hope you have taken note of these questions. Until my next video, have an amazing day and all the best vibes. Keep consistency, keep commitment to your success. Until next time, bye for now.